Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Because school has started, I decided that my kids needed a dedicated space for school. So my first stop, of course, was Dollar Tree. Not sponsored. This is where 90% of the decor and supplies were found. Oh Dollar Tree, how I love you.
You make me strong. I'll carry on with the fire that's left in me. You lifted me higher in my heartbeat, taking the fire out of me. You're taking me higher, 'cause you are the fire that's left in me. That's left in me.
Second stop, Savers. Not my favorite place to shop since everything is so overpriced. We only found a few items, but only one thing for the classroom.
I've never been that much.
Let's go home and set it up.
Being free better than none. Tried it before with all I got. And all I know is left
I just used a foldable table and covered it in 2 rolls of Dollar Tree contact paper.
me in the dark, leading me through it all. 'Cause you are the fire.
The kids enjoyed helping me decorate and set up.
Heartbeat, taking the fire out in me. You make me strong. I'll carry on with the fire that's left in me. You lifted me higher in my heartbeat, taking the fire out in me. You're taking me higher, 'cause you are the.
Here is the final reveal, our very own remote learning space. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Be safe and we'll see you later.